Hi my country people, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. Immediate past governor for Kogi State, Alhaji Yahaya Bello don tok am say im ready to appear for Federal High Court wey sidon for Abuja come answer the 19th count charge wey EFCC take accuse am. Even though Bello no dey court today, e don already brief im lawyers wey come represent am. One of im lawyers wey be Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Adeola Adedipe, tell court say im client for show face for court but fear dey catch am make dem no arrest am. E say order to arrest am don already hang for im neck. E come beg court make court set aside the order for im arrest sake of say as at the time dem make dat order, dem never serve am paper from court. Dis ex-governor also tok say EFCC na illegal organisation. E say federal government no consult the 36 states of the federation before dem establish law for EFCC through National Assembly. E argue say Section 12 of 1999 Constitution as amended tok say make each houses of assembly for state ratify the act before e go become law. But EFCC lawyer Kemi Pinheiro, wey be Senior Advocate of Nigeria, tell court make e no accept Bello application as e insist say make dem no set aside the warrant of arrest until Bello show face for court. E say Bello no fit hide for one corner dey file different application until e appear come clear himself of the charges wey dem take arrange am for court. Pinheiro continue say the first issue na to know where Bello dey hide, make e no sidon for one corner dey frustrate court proceeding, make court no allow am talk anything until dem see am korokoro. E say e don tey wey EFCC don settle im issue of illegality. E also say the charge no be against state or house of assembly but against somebody wey dem tok say spend public money anyhow to buy house for Lagos and Maitama, even transfer public money to im personal account wey dey obodo oyinbo. Dis further tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. Dangote Oil and Petroleum Refinery don slash the price of diesel and aviation oil again. Na dis morning dem announce the reduction for the two price as diesel slash to 940 naira per litre and aviation fuel 980 naira per litre. Dis reduction happen after 1 week wey the company slash the price of diesel to 1000 naira. Tok for Dangote Group Anthony Chiejina wey confirm dis new price tok say the price go affect only some level of their customers. E say the 940 naira dey for those customers wey dey buy 5 million litres of diesel and above, and the 980 naira per litre na for those wey dey buy 1 million litres of diesel and above. Chiejina still tok am say dis step wey dem take na part of their effort to reduce economic hardship for Naija. E say dem wan make sure say country people dey buy diesel for as low as 1050 naira. That's why they enter partnership with MRS Oil and Gas so that country people go dey buy affordable fuel for all their stations for Lagos and Maiduguri. Dis further tori dey inside the Guardian newspaper. Popular social media personality and cross-dresser Idris Okuneye, wey everybody know as Bobrisky, don file appeal wey e take challenge as court sama am 6 months imprisonment sake of say e abuse naira money. Bobrisky first pleaded guilty to the 4-count charge wey EFCC take accuse am for court. Na later court sama am 6 months for prison without option of fine for April 12 by Justice Abimbola Awogboro wey dey Federal High Court Lagos. But na inside the appeal wey Bobrisky filed through im lawyer Bimbo Kushanu, Bobrisky argue say the judge imposed maximum sen ten ce for am on top say e no get record of criminal conviction. E suppose give am lesser sen ten ce under the provision of law. Bobrisky claim say court no gree consider am on top say im no waste the precious time of judicial resources for court wen e quickly tok say im dey guilty to charge. Na dis one come make am tell court make dem set aside the 6 months imprisonment wey dem give am and replace am with option of fine of 50,000 naira for each count wey dem give am, so dat e go pay 200,000 naira for the 4-count charge. Dis full tori dey inside the Guardian newspaper. Popular Nollywood actress Iniedo celebrate her 42nd birthday with yanga as she remember all the things she experienced in the past years. She throway salute to those people wey dey for am as she pray make God keep them in good health and prosperity. Na for her Instagram page she write and put say, "Happy birthday to me. I am grateful for all the opportunities I've had to grow and develop this year. I am grateful for every door that was closed because it was not the right path for me. I am grateful for everyone who used my kindness and vulnerability as a sign of weakness. I am here for all the life lessons. I will keep loving wholeheartedly, being true to myself, and upholding the law of compassion towards as many as come my way." Dis full tori dey inside the Nation newspaper. Another Nollywood actor, Olanrewaju James alias Baba Ijesha, don ask Court of Appeal wey dey Lagos make e set aside the conviction wey Lagos State High Court do on top the sexual assault of a minor. Na Justice Oluwatoyin Taiwo from Ikeja Domestic Violence and Sexual Offences Court sen ten ce Baba Ijesha to 5 years imprisonment for July 14, 2022. Baba Ijesha no dey okay with dis, na im make am go challenge the ruling for appeal court through im lawyer Kayode Olabiran today wey be Tuesday. The lawyer tell court say na trap dem set for im client and e act according to the script wey dem give am by im colleague. But lawyer for government Dr. Babajide Martins tell court make e dismiss the appeal sake of say e lack merit and na misconception, as e tell court make e continue with the judgement wey lower court pass. Dis further tori dey inside Punch newspaper. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.